If your browser usually has dozens of tabs open, finding the one you need can quickly become frustrating. Fortunately, Google Chrome includes tab groups, a feature that helps you organize related tabs into neat, color-coded sections. In this video, I'll show you how to organize tabs in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. To create a tab group, right-click any tab that you'd like to organize. Then select Add Tab to New Group. A small pop-up will appear where you can customize your new group. The first thing you can do is give it a name. While naming your groups is optional, it's highly recommended if you regularly work with lots of tabs. For example, you could create groups called Work, School, Shopping, Travel, Research, or Entertainment. Having clear names makes it much easier to identify what each group contains without having to expand every single one. Right below the name, you'll find several color options. Assigning a different color to each group helps you recognize them instantly. For example, you might use blue for work-related tabs, green for school projects, red for urgent tasks, and purple for personal browsing. There are no rules here. Simply pick a system that makes sense to you. Once the group has been created, you can continue adding tabs to it. Simply drag another tab into the group or right-click a tab, choose Add Tab to Group, and select the group you'd like. Chrome will automatically place the new tab inside that tab group, helping you stay organized as you browse. When you're finished working for a while, click the group's name. This collapses the entire group into a small colored label, freeing up valuable space on your tab bar. Click it again at any time to expand all of the tabs back into view. If your projects change over time, you can easily rename the group or assign it a different color. Simply click the group label or right-click it to open the customization menu, then update the name or select a new color whenever you like. This flexibility makes tab groups especially useful for managing long-term projects, planning trips, studying, or simply separating different parts of your browsing into easy-to-recognize sections.